This is what I woke up to this morning. There's loads of water rushing down there somewhere. There's a neighbour. And to add to it, I've broken down. Don't know what, I have no idea about diesel engines. Don't know what I'm going to do. I just need to phone my brother or something to come and get me. The man's alright sitting there, you know. Sunday 27th and nobody's going to come and help me today. It's not right to see. That's how it looks here. This is apparently what is stopping my van from doing this thing. It's a fuel sender unit out of a Ford Transit. Apparently this is stopping the fuel from coming from my tank to my high pressure pump. According to my son-in-law. I'm not too sure how it actually works, but apparently he says that's what it is, so couldn't buy one and get it before first week in January or something. My van's lying in the middle of the Argyll forest just now, so I don't want to be waiting that long, so I had to go for a second hand one. I had to go to a breaker's yard and get this one. You've just got to, there's no way to know whether it's working or not. No, for me anyway, I don't really know much about it, but my son-in-law couldn't come help me today, so my brother, he came and picked me up and we went round the breaker's yards. And first of all, yesterday me and my son-in-law went to go and get one, and we got one out of a van and it was all crushed. And the guy had lifted the van with a forklift, and it crushed the plastic tank and smashed all that. So that was all crushed up. Today, me and my brother went to another breaker's yard and we got a van the exact same as mine, so it would have the same tank and all that on it. It's the same year. Took the tank off it and it was all crushed. Same thing, different breaker's yard, same thing. Luckily the breaker's yard we were at today was a bit easier than the one yesterday, and they had about 7 or 8 Ford Transits that I could have went to. So mine's is off of an 07 and I got this off of an 09, no, a 59. So they've got the same serial numbers on them and part numbers. So back to the Argyll forest tomorrow, refit my tank, and hopefully my van will start. So I'm still a bit wary. I just don't get how this stops fuel going to my tank. I don't get it, but I don't know how diesel engines work, so I'm a bit lost on them, so I'm just going on faith in my son-in-law who's worked on transits for years, so we'll see how it goes tomorrow. So this one is going on, so we'll see how it goes. I don't know. Like I say, I'm wary. I'm not wary, I mean, second hand part only cost me 20 quid, so I'm not like, oh my god, you know, it's cost me a fortune and it's no it. But I really want to get my van out of the forest. I think I've not been over for a couple of days, so I think it'll be alright sitting where it is, time of year. After Boxing Day, so there's kind of a lockdown in place. I've been out and I didn't realise what I locked down. So back tomorrow to refit this, hopefully get my van going. I'll film some of that then and show you how things are going. Later, that's my old sender unit. Now, select a load of diesel into it. Unit charge and that.